I'm telling you, Paul.
What's that screeching noise? Is that him on the phone?
No, I don't hear it.
Did you not hear that?
Yeah, I heard it loud. The screeching sound.
What is that?
Shine a light out the window and see if there's...
That's gotta be his phone.
Mrs. Miller's told them to go back to hell where they belong.
I saw your light shining out. Oh my God.
Fuck!
No, there's somebody outside.
There's someone? Or something?
I don't know. I just saw what looked like head and shoulders and, you know, like the back side of some guy walking toward the fucking, hill up there. Right over here by the lake.
There's people outside.
There's a guy outside.
I saw that.